For today's tutorial today, I want to walk you through how you can design this bedding flyer in Photoshop. Before we head into our new file, let me quickly show you the resources file we want to use in this tutorial today. All these resources will be included below this video. Let's head into our home. Let's create a new file. We want to use 4 by 5 inches into this. Let's name our project. Resolution 300, all settings like this, RGB color, all settings will leave it like this. Let's create our project. The next step, finally, we are on our layout project. The next step is to edit our resources file, bring this particular background. Yeah, you just fit it on the layout very well, it should be centered. The next step is to bring edit our resources file again and bring this celebrant image. You just drop it here like this. We want to remove the background and put some touch on the image. The first thing is edit our select bar. Under select bar, you see subjects. You click on the subject. You let Photoshop do the arrangements for us. Finally, so the most important thing in this area, most some designers make is you have to check the edges of the image that you want to use in your designs. It's very important. You can see, I think it's doing it very well for me. There's nothing. Just zoom out. The next step is to press Ctrl J to duplicate the image. I can check this one. So you can see this is our image. The next step is to edit our filter tabs. Under the filter, we click on the camera roll filter. So we want to do some touch on the image. So finally, you can zoom in your image and you can put some little exposure. Come down again under the effect, you increase your texture to 51 or more than that. So I think it's okay for me. Increase your clarity, should not be too much. So you come down again, you just you click on the details. Under the details, you see sharpen image. I think it's okay. And increase your noise reduction. I think it's fine for me. I'll just click OK. So you can see it. The next step is to arrange the image very well, which is like this. Don't worry. After that, we want to fade this part to design more better. Next thing is to do, just create a new layers. You click on this foreground color. Let your color should be black. Click OK. You head into your gradient tools. You click on the gradient tools. You click on this guy and you click on the basic. You click and you can see this at the middle. You click on the middle one, which is the transparent. So after that, you just try to fade it like this. So after that, you just bring it up a little bit. Bring it a little bit like this. I think you can really love it like this. I think it's okay. You can click on this like this. Next step is to click on, you can see this particular layers, gradient layers. You click on the side gradient layers. You click on the brush. You click on this guy. You let your brush. I'm thinking you can increase it at anyone you want, but select your hardness should be 0. You are using soft round brush. You click on the outside. If your brush is showing this icon plus, you can off your cap lock on the keyboard and increase your brush. So I think you want to just clear some parts. This one. I think it's okay for me. which is nice for me. The next step is you click on the image. After you click on the image, you head into your adjustment. Under the adjustment, you will see your brightness contrast. You can use like 8, increase to 8. You can use this one at 6, which is good for me. So you can click mask beside the image, just the image you want. I think this is fine for me. The next step is to write the celebrant names. You write it to text. Click on the text like this. You can change this color to white. You can change this to white. So you can write your celebrant names. Let's write this. So you can increase it like this. You can put it here. We are not using this font. You head into your character like this. So if your one is not showing here, just head into your windows and see all the options here. You click on the characters. So when you click on the characters, I want to use this autograph font. So this is the particular font you want to use. I will make it bold like this. I can make it bold like this. The next step is to write into your text area. You want to write the second names. You click here like this. You can break it down like this. So we are not using. You want to use filtering this particular font. So you want to use this like this. So you want to change it. You change this to, I think let's use like medium, or you can change this to regular. I think regular is okay. I think the names. Let me zoom in. I think the names is not correct. We are missing some letters. I will delete the Y to Y and just leave it like this. The one thing I want to do in this particular one here is just arrange this. You want to put this image at the top. So one thing I'll click on the image, click on the brightness that I create. So I'll press Ctrl T, so I can move this up into this. I'll move it up into the list, which is good. So one thing I will just do after doing that, I can press Ctrl T to do. So you can name it image. So this background too, but you can leave the background. I think it's okay for me like that. So finally, so let's arrange this name very well. I think let's go back to our gradient again. So I think the names of name is not showing very well. I think we can move this up like this. I think it's okay. I'll click OK. So in this particular one, I'll click on the celebrant name here. I'll add it to my effects. After under the effects, you see gradient overlay. So you want to give some of the text in gradient. So I'll show you the code. This is the color code. I'll show you the color code. Let me drift it like this. So see. This is by the left color code. You can see FFB7885. And click OK. I think by the left, the color code is the white, which is the FFF. I'll click OK again. So I'll click OK again. You can see the settings here like this. You can copy it and use as well. I'll click OK again. So the next step in this one is to copy this gradient overlay. So I'll copy it like right click. After right click, you just copy the layer style. You add into the second name. So right click again, paste it. paste layer style. Click on paste layer style. So I think I do not like the format. You can double click this gradient overlay. So I think you can set the angle like this. Yeah, I think it's okay for me. And click OK. So let's put this at the beginning. You can zoom in. So the next step in this one is to set it like this. You can bring this name down a little bit. Bring this name down a little bit like this, which is good for me. The next step is to go back to our text again. You want to write happy birthday. You can click on your control A to highlight everything. You edit to this size. You can use like 9 to be short like simply. Okay. Click the outside like this. You edit your character. So yeah, I think you can use medium for this. So you can just bring it here, which is good for me, which is fine. So which is fine for me. You can see it. The next thing is to do here is to y+1. So after that, I will right click again. I'll click on the ellipse tools. So after click on the ellipse tools, I'll click on the shift. I'll hold my shift like this to draw the circle. You can see it outside there. I can hold my alt again to duplicate. So this the first one that we first create. I can check the hue like this. So I can leave the stroke in 2 like this. Just leave this down like this. So one thing I want to do is I'll just centralize this. You can reduce this circle like this to center like this. So align the two together to fit in. So you can bring it here. So you can reduce it like this. So one thing I want to do is head into your image again. You can shift your image like this. So I think it's okay for me. You head into your circle again. You can reduce it a little bit and put it here like this. So when you click on this, the circle, the small one, so you go back to your effects again. Under the effects, you click on the gradient overlay. Just be watching what I want to do here. So let me show you. Let me show you the thing I want to achieve there. So you click on these gradients, click on them like this. So after this, you locate your orange. You see I want to use this orange. So I click on. So if you don't have this gradient back, you go to your Google. You will see the resources bar orange. All resources, you can download some Google. So I think you will use this one like this. You click OK. Let me show you the color code. FF3102. That is the left color code. The middle, which is the FD8B05 B0F. Yeah. The last by the left, which is the color code is the FBD170. So that is the true color code. I can click OK again. All the settings like this can be mixed. I'll click OK again. So you can see, let me zoom in very well. You see what I'm doing there. You can see this small circle. You just click on your property like this. I think you check this stroke, import the stroke. Yeah, I think you want to straight like this. I'm so sorry, let's head into our gradient again. So we want to change the angle. So I will change the angle like this. No, like this. Yeah, let me change the angle like this. I think it's okay for me. So you can play around like this. I think it's okay. So the next step is to write. Go back to You can go back to this second the outline. One thing you want to do here is you go back to your layer mask, click on the layer mask, put it to your brush. So you can clean some parts in this one. You clean some parts like this. That's it. So you click here like this. So the next step in this one is to go back to your text again. So you want to write +1. Let's write +1. So you make the text bold like this. So you can put it here. So you edit your characters. Yeah. You can use like semi-bold. Then you want to use semi-bold. It's okay. So next step is to go back to your text again. You can write +1 in a letter. So you just put it here like this. Don't worry, put it here like this. You right click on this. You will see wrap text. You click on the wrap text. Let it load. So you click on this now. You see all the options here like this. You click on the app. So you can play around. You can see this bend. You play around like this. I think it's okay for me like this. Yeah, I'll click OK. So I will arrange it very well and make it smaller. Put it here like this. So one thing I want to do here is I will group everything, all the circles here like this. I'll press Ctrl G. So I can reduce it very well. So I'll set it very well, which is good for me, which is okay. You can see it. Our design is almost taking shapes. So the next step is we want to use this. You can see the image is not blend with the background. So the next thing to do is I will copy the image and I'll press Ctrl J on my keyboard. So I will put it on top of the image like this. You can see it. So next thing I'll go back to my blend option. I'll click on the soft light color. And reduce my opacity. Can reduce it like this, which is good for me. Yeah, which is okay. You can see it. So you can see the image blend with the background. So the next step is to write the dates and the months. I'll write into my text again. So I want to write mail 13th. So I'll make it bold. I'll put it here like this. So let me zoom in, see what I'm doing. I'll make this text to close to each other. I'll add it to my character. I'll click on this auto. So I can use 16. I think 16 is okay. Let me use like 24. Sorry. I can use like 14. I think it's okay for me like this. I can make it very little bit. This is good. You can see our design is almost taking shapes. So the next step is to bring the main text. Let me go back to the main designs. I'll bring the rich words. I'll click on everything like this. I'll paste it here. So I'll arrange it and just put it here like this. You can see it, which is fine for me, which is good. So I think our design is almost finished. There's nothing that I want to do here again. I think I like it like this. So this is how I achieved this birthday flyer in Photoshop. So if for the first time you're watching my video and the video you are gaining a lot from this tutorial and you want to subscribe, like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorial. turn on a vision board and share with your fellow designer. Peace out.